Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the manufacturer from Alibaba. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing and e-commerce since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing. So if you like to learn more about affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today's we're going to show you how to find a manufacturer for your Amazon product if you want to order a product from Alibaba.com. So let's jump into my computer. Okay, so let's go to Alibaba.com. Okay, and this is it. Alright, so unless if you just wanted to get an idea, then you can browse what product here that you wanted to search. But if you already know what product that you want to search, then you can just type it, what's the product name in here. Then of course a lot of people they already know what product that they wanted to source before they go to Alibaba. Of course they're gonna do the phase is called the product research phase first. Product research, then you find what kind of product that you wanted to source, and after you already find the product that what you want to source, then you can just go to this website Alibaba. So in today's video, I'm going to show you let's say this product, for example this one here, the liquid soap dispenser. So you wanted to source that product, you can just type it, liquid soap dispensers. Okay, and if you see here, it has like 38,540 is so many dispensers, then you're not gonna be able to browse this all of them. So what I like to do, I like to narrow it down, so in that way you don't want to see the product from suppliers that maybe they are not good supplier. So we were looking for a supplier that's good supplier. So what you need to do, you can just click this one and then put that on the suppliers and then search. Alright, now you can see this one is all the suppliers. It's like 3,300 something suppliers. It's still a lot, and then you need also to narrow it down again, the suppliers which have assurance and then verified supplier. Alright, now it's gonna narrow more down to 1,512. So in other words, all these suppliers are a good supplier. They already have a trade assurance badge and then the verified badge. This is a legit supplier. And then for the product itself, once you already check the supplier, which one that you wanted to do business with, then you can just click it and then you can see on the website what product that they're selling over there. This one, for example, it has 8 years, verified supplier trade assurance, and you can see here the response rate is 86%, and supplier index with 3 diamonds here, and then transaction here. That also already like 560,000 transactions. So that's any of this is already good supplier, since we already narrow it down to the supplier that has a trade assurance and verified. But of course you can this is just more information for you to make more beneficial for you. See, 96% response rate. This is 1.2 million, 3 diamonds. You can check from there. This is 1 diamond. See, this one is even less, 240,000 only. And even doesn't have the response rate. I don't know why. 80 to 70. So you're looking for these 3 diamonds. That's the most important. These 3 diamonds also 92. So there are a lot of suppliers here, 1,500 something. You can choose maybe up to 10 suppliers, and then you what you do, if you like the suppliers, for example, you like the suppliers, you can just put this one on. Okay, see, you're gonna have that check mark here, favorite, and if you like this one, put that check mark also. Okay, this one 170 3-star. I don't know if you like it, then you can just do a check mark. And then not this one, not this one. This is pretty good. Yep, as long as if you see, this one 8 years. Any supplier more than 2 years, then you can rely on those suppliers or manufacturer. Even this one has 16 years, that's gonna be good. But then it's only like 2 diamond here. You're looking for 3 diamonds like this. This good also, VMAX. So let's try this. 11 years, hotel, guest amenities, 270, 94. Okay, let's put this one. Okay, 10 years, this one 92. Okay. Alright, so let's say you already choose 10 of them, right? So you have quite a lot of suppliers that you can see later on. What product they were selling. Okay, so now you can just go to your favorite here. These all the suppliers that selling the soap dispenser. So you can open it on this website, then you can just soap, put the product name, soap dispenser. Alright, so all these are the product available from this company. You can check the prices and also the product that you like. Okay, so this is pretty expensive product actually. Alright, so if you find the product that you like, you can just put this a heart button, so in that way it's gonna save to your Alibaba account. Mostly this is the same product, this one and this one is actually the same, they just make it different title here. Okay, this one with this also. Yeah, if you like this one, you can just put that that heart button, maybe this heart button, maybe this heart button. Then you can go to the next supplier and you can do the same thing. After you let's say if you like this one and you want to source this product, then you can see here the prices. 299 is $28. So of course you're gonna order 500 if it's like this price, right? But you was surprised there's no something off. Let's say 1,000 or 2,000. But then let's say if you like this product, then you can communicate, contact supplier or chat with the supplier, and ask them about whatever that you need to ask to the supplier here. A lot of times, of course, when you talk to the supplier, you will ask for the minimum order quantity, whether or not they can have a custom packaging for you, and the prices, and also the shipping fee. If you don't want to deal with the shipping fee from your site, you can have the supplier to do it for you. unless if you want to deal with the shipping process, then you find the shipping company yourself and ask, how much the price will be. But in this case, let's say if you just only wanted to know the product price and the quantity minimum order, try not to order so much at the beginning, less than 200. I guess probably 200 is the maximum that you can order for the first batch, because also the reason is Amazon have the new rules for new seller who wanted to sell on their platform and send your product to the Amazon warehouse. They only give you 200 pieces maximum quantity, and later on if they see that you're selling a lot of this product, they're going to increase the limit. But at this point, you just have to order like 200 maximum, or even though if you want to order 100, it's fine too. So in that way you can test the market, whether or not this product is good or not. Alright, so those are the most important thing for the Amazon, how to find manufacturer from Alibaba. Yeah, if you already ordered this from Alibaba before, then of course already what is this one for. This is basically you give the business card to the supplier that you're gonna share your information, your company's name, the phone number, your name to the supplier. If you don't click this one, so that means you don't share them. You can only just show them your name here in Alibaba. And recommend matching price different supplier. When you click this, then it's gonna have a lot of manufacturer. They're gonna send you email and offer you the same product and the price. But the problem is when you do this, don't filter the supplier you want to deal with, because what we did before, we already filter all the supplier, which is have a threat assurance, and also it has the verified supplier badge. In that way you can be more secure when you want to deal with those suppliers. So I would recommend you not to use this, since you already have those 10 suppliers list that you have, so you don't really need this. And yeah, that's about it about the Alibaba. So the most important thing is you're looking for the product name here, and then you can choose this one by the supplier. Let's say let's put the different things, maybe desk, office desk. Okay, you can put this one probably right away to supplier and then search. Okay, don't forget to check this one, threat assurance, and then a verified supplier. And after that, you can see the supplier index, the diamond, how many 4 diamond this one is good, response rate, and the transaction. Those are the things that you need to know how to find manufacturer from Alibaba. Alright, if you get value from this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and it's gonna help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell notification button. If you like to learn more about Amazon, you can also watch my other 2 videos here. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.